we started to have problems with our pumping for the pool, where we were getting rock and sediment into our drainers by our pumps. That led to us draining the pool and finding out that the pipe that draws water from the two vents down in the diving well was corrupted. So we had to drain this, and that lost use of the pool the whole summer. It took that long.
So there has been a few times where we have had to close the pool for like multiple weeks, and that does not help us with conditioning at all. We do have to find other pools. We've had to use South Milwaukee a few times.
That sleeve will not last forever. So there's another failure coming. It's not an if, it's a when. Could happen tomorrow, could happen 3 years from now. Along this wall, way too small for this size of pool. It takes us nearly 10 days to reheat the pool. So we lose our pool capacity for nearly 2 weeks every single summer just because of the size of the design of the equipment that they put in here.
One other issue is the locker rooms. They're very outdated. They're the original locker rooms from when the pool was originally built, and it really lacks any sort of privacy.
We're dealing with high school kids and community all at the same time. Some parents try to change their kids out in the hall because they don't feel comfortable coming into the locker room. We've got a lot of kids coming in here, and this is one of the few spaces that really hasn't been touched in all of the referendums that we've done here in Oak Creek.